I have constructed another car. This has Mecanum wheels on it, and as you can see, it turns sideways, goes left and right, makes a U-turn. I mean, it goes a little forward. I mean, whatever you want, this car would do. The only reason I haven't made the program just short is just to see how it behaves, and then maybe I can add a voice control to it, and maybe make this car a little bit nicer looking. But for now, as you can see, it does pretty well. Alrighty, I think that should probably do. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the recording. This is how the car looks like. Maybe I should turn on some lights in here. Basically, I bought this kit that came with 4 wheels, 4 motors, and this metal piece, which is the chassis. I added 4 batteries. These are 18650 batteries, and this is how you spell Mecanum. And this one is an Arduino motor controller, and underneath it, let me turn it this way so you can see it, is an Arduino Uno. And otherwise than that, it's just some wires. The power supply comes over here. These two are these 2 motors, and then back in here are 4 more wires for the rear 2 motors. Okay, so that's about as much as I can share with you. As I said, it's not really difficult to program this, and you can find on the internet how Mecanum wheels work, and then apply that for the for the Arduino controller, using Arduino IDE as a software that you can write a sketch and then make it go. Okay, I hope you like it as much as I do or love it. Don't forget to put thumbs up, and have a great day.